How you doing? Chapter 1 video journal entry number 1 for broadcasting 112. My level of commitment towards becoming a good copywriter. Not the highest, but definitely not the lowest. I'm not totally out of the whole broadcasting spectrum. Copywriting isn't totally what I'm aiming for. It'd be really cool to do something, as a professional job, being a copywriter. That way, you actually come up with the whole entire commercial in the writing. I think that's a really cool idea, but you got to write down every single aspect of it, whether it's funny, trying to catch attention, whether you're making it new or different, or the best. Um, it's a really cool aspect of it. I mean, I like it. It's interesting to me, but I don't know if I would be the right person to be a good copywriter. Um, I mean, I've got some of my attributes that I possess to become a good copywriter. I mean, I've got a really good imagination. I'm pretty creative, and I'm pretty good with making stuff rhyme. And normally, when it rhymes, it kind of catches your attention. Like, what is it? 7889122, and we'll come get that car for you. Yeah, I mean, shoot, that commercial's been how long ago, and yet people still remember it. It's because it's a little jingle. And that'd be the part of copywriting or commercials that I'd be good at in advertisement aspect of it or the copywriting aspect of it. Um, which professional application of copywriting most interests you? Just the fact that I feel like it'd be really interesting to do. Uh, to be able to like actually go in and make commercials or some type of advertisement. I mean, that just sounds really cool. Like you're the very first part of that whole entire advertisement line. Here's you. There's the rest of it. And you're the one with the creative aspect that creates the whole outline that is that commercial or that type of advertisement. So, thank you. That'll be all today.